In this video, we're going to show you how to install the blower motor on your Ford Taurus, located underneath the passenger side of the dashboard. Now, underneath the glove box, you're going to find this plastic cover here, and there's going to be some 7mm screws. We're going to use our socket here to loosen and remove these. Now, after you get the two front screws out, if you follow back to the left back corner, you're going to find a little pocket in the back. Now we're going to use some short extensions and my deep socket. I'm going to feed that up in the back, and there is a third screw back here. I'm able to loosen that by hand. You can use a ratchet if necessary. And then go ahead and drop that cover down and pull that cover out. Now right here we have the electrical connector coming to the bottom side. There's a little tab on the other side here you need to pry out a little bit. Little tab here you're going to be pressing in on. This is it right here. You're going to press in on this little tab right there. Now it might be a little bit easier for you to go ahead and pull this wiring harness out like that. Now right on this back section right here is an 8mm screw. We're going to use our socket, loosen and remove that. And pull that cover off. Twist the blower motor counterclockwise. And unlock it, and drop that out. Now before installing your new blower motor, the item comes with a screw right here. And the screw is designed to hold on our port here for our drainage portion. So we're going to use our Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to remove this. This has grooves in it all the way around, as well as this here to line up onto the drainage port on the vehicle itself. So we're going to make sure that that lines up and fits into place. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the screw that was supplied and I'm just going to get that started just a couple turns. That's going to keep this loose and flexible, but keep it stable. Let's go ahead and install the blower motor. Feed the blower motor up into position. Now this is a twist lock design. So I'm going to put the drainage port further beyond the drainage port box on the box. You're going to line this up. Notice that the blower motor fits flush all the way around, and then you're going to twist it until we can get our drainage port to line up. Once it lines up, go ahead and get that screw in there. Now when doing this, you want to make sure that the perimeter right here is sealed and it's all flush all the way around. You're all set there. The drainage port is hooked up. Go ahead and take the electrical connector. You're going to line that up and just push it on. You can feel and hear that click into place. And don't forget to install that wire harness right here. Just push that up inside. And once you have that secured, go ahead and grab that cover. You want to go ahead and push this up into place. Once we get this lined up, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take our screw. I'm going to put it into my socket here. I'm going to feed that up inside the port. And go ahead and get that started. I'm going to go ahead and use my power tool here just to gently snug that down. With that snug, I'm going to go ahead and install the 2 front screws. And we'll get the one beside it. Go ahead and snug these down. You want to just gently snug those down, don't over tighten them. Once you've completed that, clean up your tools and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.